everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for those stepping into new managerial roles: tips for new managers. Each manager has their own style and methods of working with their team as well as the company management. But some tips and tools are generic and work in all circumstances and roles. Whether you're managing a team of trainee programmers or are handling a shop floor in a factory. Whether you've just stepped into this position or are aiming to enhance your managerial skills, these 5 tips will prove invaluable in your journey towards effective leadership. First up, be a people's manager. It's crucial to understand that successful management isn't just about tasks and deadlines. It's about people. As a new manager, your team is your most valuable asset. Connecting with them on a personal level builds trust and fosters a positive work environment. Understand their aspirations, concerns, and working styles. Identify their strengths and support their growth. For instance, if a team member excels in creative thinking, provide opportunities that encourage their innovative ideas. Remember, effective communication and empathy go a long way in establishing a cohesive and motivated team. And a happy and motivated team is the cornerstone of productivity and success within any organization. Moving on to our second tip, measure your tasks and team performance. Setting clear goals and KPIs, key performance indicators, for both individual tasks and team objectives is crucial. For instance, suppose your team is working on a project. Define milestones and track progress using tools like Gantt charts or project management software. Regularly assess performance against these benchmarks to identify areas for improvement or recognition. By doing so, you'll ensure everyone is aligned with the objectives, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Additionally, you can identify areas for improvement, recognize outstanding performances, and make informed decisions to drive your team towards success. Now, here's a tip that may seem simple but holds immense power. Read a lot of books. Continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. There's a wealth of knowledge and wisdom waiting for you in books written by successful leaders and management experts. Take, for instance, Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek or The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team by Patrick Lencioni. These books offer invaluable insights into leadership styles, team dynamics, and effective communication. Learning from others' experiences can help you navigate challenges and inspire innovative approaches to leadership. Dive into topics on leadership, communication, and organizational behavior to gain new perspectives and insights that can elevate your managerial skills. Our fourth tip is look at data and numbers for decisions. In today's data-driven world, making decisions based on intuition alone might not suffice. Data analysis plays a pivotal role in decision-making. Embrace data analytics and use relevant data points to guide your decisions. Suppose your company is considering launching a new product. Analyze market trends, customer feedback, and sales projections to make informed decisions. Or come performance evaluation time, and your team would want you to access them for an appraisal. In these circumstances, analyze the team as well as individual metrics and KPIs to arrive at an understanding on individual performance. Just subjective information will not help you access your team's performance clearly and fairly. Utilize tools like Excel or analytics software to interpret data effectively. This approach minimizes risks and maximizes opportunities for success. Whether it's customer feedback, sales figures, or project performance, leveraging data helps in making informed, strategic choices that benefit your team and the organization. And finally, choose what to use. As a new manager, you'll encounter a plethora of management techniques, tools, and methodologies. It's crucial to evaluate and select what works best for your team and the organizational culture. As a new manager, you'll encounter various management methodologies, tools, and techniques. Experimentation is key, but it's equally crucial to assess what aligns best with your team's needs and the company culture. For instance, Agile or Scrum methodologies might work well for software development teams, while Six Sigma could suit process-oriented departments. By selecting the right tools and methodologies, you enhance efficiency and drive positive results. Don't be afraid to experiment, but be mindful of what brings tangible value and resonates with your team's dynamics. Many a times, new managers are eager to implement any new methodologies or tools that they come across. A manager in my company once implemented timesheets for a creative design team. This led to conflicts between the manager and the team, and he had to roll back the changes after a lot of protests within the team. Wrapping up, being a new manager comes with its challenges, but by incorporating these tips, being a people's manager, measuring tasks and performance, continuous learning, data-driven decision-making, and wisely choosing methodologies, you'll pave the way for effective leadership and foster a thriving work environment. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep leading with purpose and compassion. See you soon.